Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this free cosmetics in Grow a Garden. How to get this free cosmetic, sorry. Let me just harvest everything first. Okay, so it's this kind of like chamber that you can put in your garden. Let me just rotate it. I'm still not used to the rotation, if I'm being honest. Gosh, I just want to rotate it the other way. Okay. It's the middle one, I presume. Okay, there we go. So, to get the new cosmetic, you can actually talk to the green bean and join the team, like join the cause again. But basically, you'll need to go to settings up here, scroll down, and type in this code, bean or leave 10. Select claim. And as you can see, you will get this in your cosmetics. I already claimed it, so obviously I have it already here. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.